Are you guys ready? Puri aag gayi looks like a joker. Act like a joker. At Diwali, I feel like Diwali has become such a boring festival now. I like how my lip liner is also highlighting. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. Today we are shooting Get Ready With Me for Raksha Bandhan. Along with that, we are also doing some chit chat. So I have asked you guys some options out of which you literally chose three options. So first was my favorite childhood memory of Rakhi. Second was my go-to makeup for festivals. And third was my best Rakhi gift. So we're gonna talk about that while I get ready. But let me first quickly change into my outfit. Let's do that. So I have changed into my outfit. I will show you my full outfit at the end of this video because it will be better if I'll get fully ready and then show you my outfit. By the way, I'm wearing a Sharara set. Let's get started with the makeup. I've already done my skincare and that's why my skin is looking good also. First thing that you guys wanna know was my funniest Rakhi moment from my childhood. For my makeup, I'm first starting off with my ultimate favorite skin tint right now, which is from Lamel, and it gives me nice coverage. So I'm gonna use like a very small amount. So when it comes to Rakhi, I'm not really like that excited to dress up, do something. But this time I felt like getting an outfit for myself, like a new outfit, and doing something on my face because I usually don't apply anything. I don't even add any sort of accessory. I just apply a lipstick and or either I go with like my basic skincare, or at times I don't even consider applying eyeliner. But this time I felt like doing something and that is what I'm doing. So my first product is this Lambert skin tint, which is like my go-to skin tint. It has literally become my go-to skin tint right now. And I'm gonna apply this much only because I don't do too much makeup for Rakhi. And let's just start with the first question, which was my favorite memory from Raksha Bandhan. So basically, so the funniest moment had to be those times when you used to get the sharpener based Rakhi. So let me tell you all, I have a younger brother and a younger sister. Basically, I am the eldest among my whole family. So my brother is literally like 6 years younger than me. During my childhood also, he was very small. Like he was when he was 2, 3 years old, or when he was even 1 year old. We used to have these sort of rakhi, which like like toy sort of thing, which has some sort of light. And even when I think about it, like right now, it seems to me so funny because his hand used to get full. Like he used to have like such small hands, and वो एक ही हाथ में हम दोनों राखी बांधते थे, मैं और मेरी बहन, और वो पूरा भर जाता था बिकॉज हमारी राखी इतनी बड़ी होती थी. तो एक वो फनी मोमेंट है, और एक मुझे वो भी याद है कि बचपन में even in school we used to ask to ना bring like lot of craft items for राखी, so that हम वही राखी अपने स्कूल में बनाएंगे and that same राखी हम लोग अपने भाई को बांधेंगे. That was also something memorable. I would say not funny. Also, I'm going in with concealer because I literally forgot and my eyes are looking very hollow right now. I don't usually do concealers and stuff like this heavy makeup, but this is what I'm doing. So this is what my concealer looks like. So this one is the Swiss Beauty's concealer that I've been using consistently and need to restock because it's about to get empty. So like very funny moment is the time when our brother used to give us money and he used to scream like I also want money, I also want money because इनको क्यों मिल रहा है मुझे भी चाहिए. This was like the funny moment, or at times we used to fight like cats and dogs on festival. There was time when I was living in Mumbai for like 4, 5 years. At that time, I've literally missed my Raksha Bandhan because it was just a day thing, and I cannot visit from Mumbai to Jaipur just for one day. It was very like far, so I've missed like 4 years also. So that is also one thing. So I usually don't go with concealers if you guys know me because I at times feel like my eyes. I don't like whiteness under my eyes. That's why I don't. But today I don't know why they're high. That hollowness is coming across as if like too much. It is coming like across very much. I'm gonna directly go in with the eyeliner now. Where the hell is my eyeliner? Which is the Faces Canada. I've not like changed my eyeliner since a very long time. I need to change it. I was thinking of getting one from Mars Cosmetics. I need to buy more stuff from Mars. फील लाइक मैंने ऑलरेडी खराब कर दिया है अपना आईलाइनर, जो मैं नहीं करती थी, पर मेरी पूरी आंख गई। Oh my god, just look at my other eyes. And this one is with concealer, this one is without concealer. I have to apply it again. I have to wait for some time. Okay, so this is so second question. So this was all like the funniest moment that I've had from my childhood. Not really like something which is very major or something that I could remember like very funny. This is all what has happened. We usually visit our cousins and all. थोड़ा बहुत हंसी मजाक चलता रहता है, इतना ही funny हुआ है. Second question that you guys were curious about is the makeup that I use during festival. So that I'm already showing you all कि मैं क्या क्या लगाती हूँ फेस्टिवल पे. मुझे थोड़ा सा अनटिल अनलेस इट्स नॉट दिवाली, मैं बहुत ही बेसिक मेकअप जो मैं अपने डे टू डे बेसिस में करती हूँ, मैं वही, दैट इज द ओनली रूटीन दैट आई फॉलो. उसके अलावा आई डोंट यूजुअली गो विथ लाइक अ हेवी सॉर्ट ऑफ मेकअप, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि माई स्किन इज ऑलरेडी like it doesn't have any sort of scar, touch wood, other than this, so I don't really require makeup at times. I feel like just with minimal makeup I can look good, so that is what I do, trying to avoid makeup little bit if I could. So let's get in with the eyeliner, which is from Faces Canada. I don't know why. So in my family I have two chachus and one is my father. So we basically in total we all are 8 kids. So in my family, I have my father, my two chachus. Among all the kids, I am the eldest one, and in total we are 8, where 4 girls and four boys. On Raksha Bandhan, we usually first tie Rakhi to my own brother, then I go to my cousins, then I have my buas visiting at our place. At times I think of going out with my cousins for a movie, but it never happens because whenever we reach home at their house, we literally get indulged in talking so much that we forgot that so much time has passed. And I think this is one of the best thing about Rakhi, that you literally get to spend maximum of your time with your cousins basically. And this is such an amazing part also, because at Diwali I feel like Diwali has become such a boring festival now. Earlier it used to be so fun, but right now it is like so bland. And in comparison to that, I feel like Raksha Bandhan is much better. Now I'm thinking of getting applying blush. I think I feel like I'm applying blush like after a very long time. So because I'm keeping it subtle, I'm not applying too much blush. This is it. And let me just quickly dab my face with powder, because my concealer is gonna crease out any moment. I take a cotton pad because I feel this is much better than, oh my god, I've applied too much. This is like literally much better than our brush. I'm gonna remove the excess. I think it's fine now. Let me just apply all over my face a little bit. So now I think we're just left with our lipstick. Let's apply lip liner. I'm going with a brown lip liner today. Yes. By the way, this one is from Mars Cosmetics in the shade 03 Bloodbath. The best part about these lip liners are you can just, they're gonna smudge a little and you can go in with your favorite lipstick. So I'm just going in with like a this one from Mars Cosmetics, their Naughty Nutmeg. Oh wow, looking so good. I like how my lip liner is also highlighting, because I wanted to create such look since a very long time. Feel like applying more blush, I don't know. Little bit हम लगा सकते हैं. just this. Looks like a joker. Act like a joker. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाए कहीं. I need to check in my mirror for that. हाँ सही है, हमारा मेकअप इतना खराब नहीं लग रहा है. मैं अच्छा मेकअप कर लेती. This is how my full makeup for Raksha Bandhan looks like. I already have my accessories and I love what I'm wearing right now. I also feel like doing my hair today, like just the front part with the straightener. So the last question you guys asked was the best gift I got on Raksha Bandhan. I think it was this chain which I got last year. It's very expensive also because it's gold. I have not really got like gift on Raksha Bandhan. We always used to get money, and that we end up spending, so we didn't really got like gifts. So this is something that I really loved when I got it last year, and since then I've been wearing this on and off, but currently I am wearing it on daily basis. So guys, I've just set my hair a bit and let me show you guys my full look. I don't know, are you guys ready? uh, this is the fit for today, sharara, and we have to add chunni. Yeah, so this is the overall look and overall fit for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you feel like you have loved this video, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.